So how do you create your dream life using AI? Gandang tanong. So the first thing I'll do is I'll head to ChatGPT. So you open ChatGPT. And then ang gagawin mo is you will create this, no? So here are my future goals and desires. Isulat nyo lahat ng mga future goals and desires nyo. And after sinulat mo yung lahat ng mga future goals and desires mo, you go down and you write this, no? Tell me a story of the day in the life as my future self based on the description above. Yan. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon is you write all your dreams mangyayari sa future, and then yan, use this prompt. Tell me a story of the day in my life as my future self based on the description above. Ang gagawin ni AI is this. Yan. So, susulat niya ngayon yung morning life mo, yung morning routine, lahat. Lahat na mangyayari sa buhay mo. So, if you guys want to try it out, it's such a good experience to try it out. For me, that's a gandang lesson and magandang perspective rin to be able to read in a very nice way what AI created about the future life that you're gonna have. Para kang meron kang vision board na pwede mong basa-basahin at to get inspired. So that, you know, pag everything that things that don't go well, at least you can go back to it and you read it and then you get inspired na, hey, you're working towards that goal anyway. So, konting challenge, konting push pa, and then let's see what happens. So if you like this episode, or if you like all this AI stuff, click subscribe and follow me for more AI tips. All right, see you again tomorrow.